Hi friends, in the last session we have started the concept called the packages in Python. Okay, in the last session we have started the concept called the packages in Python. Okay, normally package is nothing but a folder. Okay, package is nothing but what a folder. Okay, folder or directory which represents collections of Python modules. Okay, which represents a collection of Python or modules. Any folder or directory contains underscore underscore init underscore underscore dot py file is considered as a Python package. So this nothing but a file can be empty. Okay, this nothing but a file can be empty. A package can contain subpackage also. Okay, a package can contain a subpackage also. Clear? Next. So normally advantages. Okay, advantages of packages. Advantages of packages. Advantages of packages. By using this advantages of packages, first advantages will be we can resolve. Okay, we can resolve naming conflicts. Okay, we can resolve naming conflicts. Second one will be we can identify. Okay, we can identify our components. Okay, we can identify our components uniquely. Okay, we can identify our components uniquely. Third point, it improves. Okay, it improves modularity. Okay, it improves the modularity of the application. It improves the modularity of the application. It improves the modularity of the application. Clear? So these are the advantages of packages. PACK. Okay, these are the advantages of packages. So normally package means we know that folder or directory which represents collection of Python modules. Okay, so let me take a diagram so that how internally it will be decided. So there is one script called one application loan. Okay, internally I'm taking init.py and next will be some home loan and vehicle loan. Okay, so observe here, first what I'm taking means here what I'm taking means underscore underscore init underscore dot py. Okay, underscore underscore init underscore underscore dot py. Next, here also I'm taking, here also what I'm taking, okay, here file 1. Next, here also file 1, file 1. Next, here also underscore underscore dot py. So here x dot py, Next here y.py. So the same thing here also. Here file1 x.py. Okay, here y.py. Underscore underscore init.py. Okay, so now observe here, this is file1, this is file1 init x.py, x.py, file1 init.py. This is nothing but total is a loan. Okay, so why I have mentioned this diagrammatic means, so whenever one object, I mean one folder is created, so internally one file will be there, init underscore init dot py with the file one. Okay, next next will be, so here what it will be means, python classes test.py, test.py, module1 dot py, module1 dot py, and underscore underscore init underscore underscore dot py. So whenever one file is there, so along with that pack1, so pack1 is nothing but package1, in under this two files will be there, so this is nothing but package, so this is nothing but same I am displaying here, pack1 file1. So in this, here two files are there. Okay, here two files are there. Okay, so in the same way, just observe here, I'm taking one two files in the same way, scimath.py and test.py. Okay, test.py. So first, let me write some information on. Okay, let me write some information on module1.py. Okay, just let me rename scimath to module1. Okay, scimath module1. Okay, first let me write some information in the module 1. So what I'm writing here, I'm declaring a function def f1, def f1, hello, this is from module 1 present in pack 1. Okay, this is from module 1 present in pack 1. Okay, this is from module 1 present in pack 1. This is nothing but one module 1. Next test.py. Okay, next test.py. but where I have defined that file, so inside directly parallel to this folder. Okay, but make sure I am keeping under another folder. Okay, so let me create a folder. Okay, pack1. Okay, pack1. Inside pack1, I'm keeping the I'm keeping inside pack1. I kept module1. Okay, so now observe here. I'm trying to import pack1. Okay, import pack1 dot module 1. Okay, import to pack1 dot module 1. Next, pack1 dot module 1 dot f1 function. F1 function. No module named pack1. So what is that no module named pack1? Because pack hyphen 1. Okay, pack hyphen is there. Now observe here. Import pack1. What? Okay, module 1. So let me write in another case from pack1 import module 1. Okay, from pack hyphen 1 import module 1. Module 1 dot f1 function. So why it is not executing? Invalid decimal literal. Okay, so let me rename. Okay, from pack1. Okay, let me rename to pack1 as well. So the condition will be underscore will not consider in Python. Where still it is considering. Okay, so the conclusion will be underscores will not work in the package level or module level. Okay, hello, this is from module 1 inside pack1. So inside pack1 module 1 will be there. So if you observe here with respect to module 1, one folder is created. This is nothing but module 1. So this is file will be generated at runtime. Okay, this file will be generated at the runtime. Clear? Next. Next. Okay, observe carefully. So this is nothing but version 1. Example program. version 1, version 1 test.py. Okay, test.py. Next, next what I am doing means import import pack1 dot modular. Okay, module1 dot f1. Okay, pack1 dot pack1 dot module1. Hello, this is module1 present in pack1. Hello, this is from module1 present in pack1. Clear? So this is nothing but what version 2. Okay, this is nothing but what version 2. Version 2. So module 1 will be module 1. Okay, this is nothing but what module 1 dot py. So this is nothing but what packages. So inside the package, how we can access the value. Okay, this is the version 1 concept, and this is the version 2. From specific module we are accessing from all modules at a time we are accessing from specific from modules we are expecting only one from module we are expecting one, but this one is different, second one is both are different. Okay, both are different. Clear? This is nothing but what packages. So just I explained one small example. So then, if you want more clarity, you can call out to me on email or give me your query in the notification. Okay, give me your query in the comment box. I will give you more clarity with the next video. Okay. Thank you, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you are having any questions or queries, please post your query in the comment section or reach out to my email ID in the given description. Thank you, friends. Thanks for watching.